What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back in another video, and today we're going to show you another addition for your YouTube channel. Basically a wireless mic. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell so you can notify my next videos to come up with tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Make sure to hit that like button so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox Kimafun. Basically, this is a 2.4 gigahertz wireless mic with the transmitter and receiver. I've unboxed a lot of these before, but let's see how well this does compared to them. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Here we go. For those of you who want to send me a knife, you can do that as well. There you go. Let's open this up. Boom. In the box, there's literatures right here. Put that right there. Converter right there. USB converter. Some pom-poms. There you go. Converter as well right there. Boom. See, this one has a headset. Those of you who likes the headsets right there, you can use that as well right there. Converter right there, analog version for the iPhone. There's the charger right here. Dual micro USB charger right there. Boom. Lapel mic right there. The clips. And the actual transmitter and receivers. There you go. Boom. Let's put this on the side right here. Here, as you can see, the Kimafun 2.4 gigahertz right there. Very nice design as well. Here on the side, you'll see a micro USB slot to charge it. On and off button right there. There you go. And the volume buttons right there. Very clicky. Good, good, good. And this guy right here, same deal. On and off button. Micro USB up there. There you go. And that's it for that. And then you could just plug this into your camera. Here, let's go ahead and install the backing clip for this. Basically, just take that on the back right there. And then you just snap it on like so. And you're good to go. And then this will just clip onto your pan and stay hidden. Here, as you can see, this is the USB adapter right here where you can use to your laptop or computer. Basically here it splits it mic and the headphones. Now here, if you want to use this on your camera, all you need to do is just look for the mic jack right there. Then you just put this in right in there. There you go. Then all you need to do is just turn this on, and you'll see a blue light on the Kimafun. You're good to go. Now let's go ahead and put this on our ear. Check, 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 check. There you go. What do you guys think of the quality of this mic? What do you think of it? Test, test, mic test. Yeah, this is Kimafun 2.4 gigahertz. A test for the transmitter and receiver connected to the Panasonic G9. Let me know what you think on the comments below. There you go. You can also increase the volume. Check, 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 check. Increase the volume or minus it right here. So let's just keep going down. Let's see. Oh, now it's you can mute it right there as well. And yeah, there you go. Pretty good. So now what we'll do is we're gonna install the lapel. There you go. Same way. Install the lapel. And then we're gonna clip this on to our shirt right here. Let's see how well that does. So with the lapel, you might wanna increase the volume. We're just gonna increase it to the maximum it could go. One thing you can't really tell with this is how much volume it has already. So we just keep increasing till the maximum, and then we'll just keep lowering it till you can't hear me anymore. How's the quality, guys? If you want to tell me what the quality is, comment below. Let me know what you think of that. And there you go. Yeah, so you can use this on your phone as well. If you're using an iPhone, all you need to do is hook it up to your phone. I'll show you how to do that right now. So depending on the iPhone that you have, if you have an iPhone that has headphone jack, like older iPhones like the 6S Plus, then you can use the headphone jack right on the iPhone by using one of these. Just like that. Pretty good. But then for those of you who are using this on a phone that doesn't have a headphone jack, what you need to do is use a dongle so that you can use this same headphone jack for that. So that's pretty good. Once you have hooked it up on the headphone jack, you just need to look for the mic jack right here, and then you're just gonna put the Kimafun right in there, like so. Now let's test this out. Now this is the test for the Kimafun 2.4 gigahertz mic. Let me know what you think down in the comments below of the quality of this. This is hooked up on the iPhone 6S Plus directly to the phone. There you go. So now to hook it up on your PC, what you need to do is watch for the USB slots right there. We're gonna grab the adapter that they gave us, like that, and then you just hook it onto the USB. There you go. And then you just put the Kimafun or receiver onto the mic. Just like that. And then make sure you turn on the receiver. There you go. So yeah, this is the test for the Kimafun 2.4 gigahertz mic. Let me know what you think on the computer side, if it's any good or not. And that's it for the day, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on the Kimafun 2.4 gigahertz wireless mic. Basically, this is pretty good for vlogging and also different sorts of YouTube channel needs. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Go ahead and check that out. You might even get a discount. So go ahead and check that out. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of next videos to come. Make sure to hit that like button so we can beat that YouTube algorithm as well. Make sure to share this to your friends who likes to start their own YouTube channel. And if you want to see more of these videos, I'll link this down below as well. So go ahead and check that out. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace!